video. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Albay, Bicol. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Cagsawa Church or Cagsawa Ruins. So isa ito sa tourist destination dito sa Bicol area. So enjoy the view. Bye for now.
I see you falling for the darkness. Would you let me in? I'll be the one if you need guidance.
Hi, Jerwin.
If you can't breathe.
Magpupunta kayo dito sa Cagsawa Ruins. Marami ditong mga bench. May mga souvenirs. May mga kainan.
Pick up every piece. No rainy days. The fog will clear away. No more time to save. Set fire to the rain. Would you let me? Would you let me? Would you let me? Life is such a blessing. Would you let me? Would you let me? Would you let me? Life is such a blessing. I'll be a friend if you have problems. Never worry about a thing. Taking care of one another. Climbing up the given tree. Life is such a blessing. Oh, life is filled with mysteries. So explore and learn your lessons and create some memories. No rainy days. The fog will clear away. No more time to save. Set fire to.
So ayun na nga, habang nag-aantay kami na lumabas ang perfect cone ng Mt.Mayon Volcano, bumili muna kami ng ice cream. Ito ang sikat na sili ice cream dito sa Bicol. So ayan na yung aking husband. Kumakain siya habang nag-aantay dito sa Mt.Mayon Volcano. Sa sobrang tagal, napakain na lang kami ng ice cream.